Hello friends, today is our last day at Coorg and we will be back to Bangalore. While going back to Bangalore by road trip, we will visit Dubare Elephant Camp and Golden Temple on the way. We will share the road trip and those places with you, so stay with us. Madikeri to Bangalore is around 270 kilometers, which should take around 5.5 hours to 6 hours. But we will go via Dubare Elephant Camp and Golden Temple, which are the most popular tourist destination at Coorg. Thus it will take more than 8 hours if we consider 1 hour in each place. If you like to go for a long drive, you may love to have this road trip. In this road trip, you will be passing through the forests, you will be going through the rural areas as well as sophisticated highways. First, we will go to Dubare Elephant Camp, which is very near to Madikeri. Someone can reach to this place from Madikeri town within 50 minutes. This road goes to the camp and we have taken exit from the highway. It goes within a village and this is very peaceful area. These are wine shops. They sell homemade wines. Homemade wine is very much popular in Coorg. Anywhere we went, we have seen this kind of shop. These trees you see in the right, these are betel trees, not the palm trees. We have reached to the camp and this is the parking area where we need to park the car. This camp is located besides this bank of Kaveri river. This is Kaveri river. There are arrangements for river rafting, but we are not interested for river rafting. Also it is too much costly. They charge 1250 rupees per person. The time to interact with elephants is 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock in the morning and 4:30 to 5:30 at the afternoon. You see the rafting boats. Normally elephants gather over there on the specified time. Right now it's 1:30. That means we have already missed the opportunity to interact with the elephants. So in case you are planning to come over here, be careful about the timing. You need to be on time to interact with elephants. It is the place where elephants used to be trained for Mysore Dasera. However, now these animals are used for jungle rides. Now we will go to Golden Temple, which is around 18 kilometers from here and can reach by 30 minutes. We have taken the exit from the highway and this road goes to Golden Temple, which is at Kusalnagar. The spices of Coorg is very much famous. You can find spices shop almost at everywhere. If you want to buy some spices, you can get it from here. We have almost reached. This is a village kind of area. Though the road is very much narrow, but it is very much peaceful. You see the view of the road from here? It's awesome. We have reached to the parking area of Golden Temple. This is pretty big, but this is not the only parking. We have seen another one behind. There are some restaurants and washroom in this parking area, so you get a chance to get refreshed over here. Now we are entering at the Golden Temple. This temple remains open from 9 o'clock in the morning up to 6 o'clock in the evening. This location is called as Bailakuppe. This is the largest teaching center of the Nyingma lineage of Tibetan Buddhism in the world. This monastery is home to a Sangha community of over 5,000 monks and nuns, and this is the hostel or residence of them. There is one school, a college, and a hospital available within this campus. This monastery was established by the 11th throneholder of the Paleo lineage, Durwang Padma Norwe Rinpoche, in 1963, following his 1959 exit from Tibet. It was the second Paleo monastery. Its initial structure was a temple constructed from bamboo, covering an area of 80 square feet. It is carved into the jungle that the India government granted to the Tibetan exiles. While coming back from Golden Temple, somehow we have missed some of the turning, and the map rerouted us through this road. This is not bad, though it's through some rural areas or village kind of thing. We've been hungry and found this restaurant on the highway. They serves pure vegetarian South Indian food and they are really tasty. Also they have very clean restroom where we got refreshed. It needs 1.5 hours more to reach Bangalore. So stay with us and enjoy this evening drive. If you like this video, you can share it with others. If you want to watch more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and enable for notifications. See you then in my next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.